This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Caskey. Affordable opportunity to live in Washington Square with great schools and superior shopping just a few miles to the oceanfront. Newer stainless steel appliances. Newer siding and HVAC. New owner will want to paint or replace carpet eventually, but it is move-in ready and could do upgrades in time. Full bathroom has newer ceramic floors and vanity. Make it yours. For more information, review the details below.